Hi, everyone. I am Dr. Justin Golston, one of your professors for this course, and welcome to Advanced Supply Chain Management. If you have taken the intro to supply chain management, welcome back. And I do have one ask in that if you have some feedback in regards to how we can improve on that course, please reach out and let us know your thoughts as we always strive for improvement into how we can improve your learning experience as it pertains to the course. Within week one, we will begin with product, service, and work system design. And within that week, we will talk about process design. We will talk about process mapping, one of my favorite tools I use within organizations. And we'll also go into the differences between manufacturing and service operations. We will also provide you with an introduction into capacity planning, and then we'll also talk about some innovative ways in which organizations have increased efficiencies within supply chain networks, especially after the pandemic of 2020. Within week two, we're going to talk about location analysis and supplier relationships. We're going to talk about from a global perspective how organizations and leaders of organizations will assess their supply chain networks, where their customers are located, where their suppliers are located, in determining where they're going to build distribution facilities and manufacturing facilities around the world. We're also going to talk about the importance of supplier relationships in that effective and efficient supply chains begin with the supplier. We're also going to talk about things such as cost management and those often overlooked concepts that often hamper decision makers within supply chain management. Within week three, we're going to talk about supply and demand chain planning. We're going to talk about supply planning. We're going to talk about demand planning. We're going to discuss a number of processes and approaches such as aggregate planning and sales and operations planning that is used within supply chain management. And within week four, we're going to talk about my favorite. I would say all these weeks are my favorite, but my really favorite week is going to be week four, module four where we're going to talk about enterprise resource planning applications. Now, it's my favorite week because we have a small little bonus for you. So, given that I wrote a book on critical success factors in ERP implementations, which is available on Amazon, you don't have to go to Amazon because we are going to be giving you that ebook for free. Okay, so if you look in the course of study, you will see how you can get that ebook for free, and that's something that as a thank you, right, a token of our appreciation. Modules within the ERP application, such as material requirements planning, MRP, modules, and as well as capacity requirements planning modules, CRP. And then we're going to wrap up that module in the benefits to implementing ERP applications. And finally, we're going to wrap up this course, and we're going to take a close look in change management. Now, regardless of an initiative, even outside of the supply chain discipline, regardless of an initiative within an organization, if you do not implement change management, if leaders are not able to inspire and influence individuals from a change management perspective, they run the risk of a failed implementation, a failed initiative. So we're spending an entire module to discuss the importance of change management, tools or individuals can use to influence and implement these change management strategies, and ways to mitigate risks to make projects successful within organizations. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with you all in this course. Thank you.